What's today? 11? 12?
12. Turn again this way?
Yeah.
And then this way.
Oh, yeah, it's 12.
Alright. Tender?
Yeah.
Seems like
Tense.
And you are straight this way down. Just like that. I'm good here. Soft and just like that. Perfect. Lean back.
You felt you heard it?
But it already cracked even when she before she even finished.
Deep breath in. All the way. There we go. Deep breath in. All the way out.
Like a piano. That feels good already. Like,
You never got it done?
but they said it's good. It's good for doing alignment adjustment. Why? What's wrong?
Breathe in. All the way out. Drop the shoulder.
Oh.
Because it hurt. Like it's supposed to be relaxing.
Drop the shoulder.
Oh God. Oh.
Oh,
Oh my God.
I heard that.
Ooh, that felt good.
Got some spine popping over there.
That was my neck.
Really?
Yes.
Good.
Girl.
And now, fall back.
Oh. Christine. Oh my God. Girl, that was crazy. I wasn't ready. I was like, what is going on? Oh, wow.
Good. Then this way. There we go.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I feel like a new person. Y'all better book with Christina. I'm telling you, she is back to the bone, okay?